Hey, Thad here with Sunstoppers. I'm here to show you the difference between a full front clip and a partial front clip. Both of these are industry terms describing different areas to paint protect a car. We've got a brand new 2021 Audi RS6 Avant here, and we did a full front fender and a partial front fender to show you the difference. Full front fender, that covers the entire panel here. That's above the wheel, goes from the headlight all the way to the front door. And the difference really is price versus whether you want to see the film or not. When you cover the whole panel, you can't see it. It goes up to every single edge, it's wrapped around edges and so forth. The only way you can really see it, what I call an A+ install, is from an arm's distance away, you can't see it. On this one, Gordon just did this one, so there's some areas that we're getting ready to roll under the fender here. But for the most part, from arm's distance away, I cannot see the film. What I call an A+ install is if I cannot see it when my nose is on top of it, I literally have to feel for the film there. If I go over to the other side, you'll see there's a partial front fender. This is lower cost, but the downside to it is the film stops part way up the fender. In certain angles and certain lights, you can see the film, you can see where it starts and stops. There's not really a different finish to it. There's just a clear edge, kind of like imagine if you put a piece of clear tape on this, because this is a giant sticker in a sense. So it is lower cost. It does cover the higher impact area on the front, but you can see the film. Some people want to cover everything on the front of the vehicle. Those are the high impact areas. Full front clip, partial front clip always starts with the bumper and then includes a combination usually of the fender, a partial hood, usually the first 18 inches or so. Any car, it's worth doing your front bumper and paint protection film. You're guaranteed you're gonna get rock chips and dings. That's what the film is designed to help prevent and minimize, is damaging that paint. The headlights, second option to add on to. And then third is some combination of hood, fender, mirrors. And you just gotta decide what your budget is and whether it's important for you to cover the entire panel or if you'd rather save some money and just cover the lower front edge where the high impact areas are.